Well, hi. Today I'm going to talk to you about a dog commission that I did. It's called The Messy Puppy. Yeah, it was a fun piece to do. This puppy was just a mess. So I start out with a lot of color in the background. You see all that abstract color in there? Well, I love doing that because as I do the painting, the color kind of peeks through and makes the whole piece a lot more interesting. So as you see me work here, you'll notice that I'm working all over the place. I'm trying to bring the whole painting forward. A little bit of this over by the bowl, a little bit of that over by his face, and it just keeps developing and coming together. Now we add some of the water because that's the mess, right? This dog is just, he's into it in a big way. And when I'm doing this painting, I'm having a good time. I put on the music, and I promise myself when I do any kind of a painting, I'm going to have a good time. And that's what I did during this one. This dog's name was Lester, and Lester was known as the Messy Puppy. So thanks for watching. It was fun to do, and I'd love to do one for you if you've got a dog, whether the dog's messy or not. Okay? So, all for now. See you. Bye.